Hello everyone, welcome to episode 10 and final episode of series 2 beginner to pro crochet classes. In this episode we are going to learn how to make a basic medium size leaf. For that we are going to use leaf green color in baby soft yarn, pair of scissors, and this time we are going to use 3 mm of hook. This is going to be a basic small medium size leaf, and we are not going to cover the wired corners for this leaf because like in series 2, since you are beginner crocheters, you need to understand how to make a leaf which is very basic and easy to understand. In next series 3, where we are going to learn the advanced skills, in that I will definitely show you how to make a leaf with the help of a wired corners. Okay, now in this one we will use this yarn and grab some yarn, make a slip knot first like this. Okay, insert your hook, fasten the thread, and then we'll begin with chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, now we have chain 10. We'll skip the first chain, and in the second chain we'll insert our hook and make one slip stitch. Now in second chain space we will make one single crochet. Now in third chain space we will make one half double crochet. In fourth chain space we will make one double crochet. Okay, and in fifth chain space we will make one triple crochet. So all the stitches we have covered, what all stitches we have learned in series 1, we have covered all the stitches here. So this is going to be a practice session also for you, and we can at the same time learn how to make a leaf. So this is like a round, this is like a rectangular shape, and if you remember, we used to make this pattern in star shape when we did in this series only. I think in episode 3 or 4 we learned how to make star shape, so in that we followed this method only. Now into next space, now we will go backward to these stitches. Okay, so into next chain space we will make double crochet. Now in next chain space we will make half double crochet. In next chain space we will make single crochet. Now here we will not make a slip stitch here, however we will make a single crochet again. So the last 2 stitches we will make 2 single crochets. Okay, now what we need to do is we will do chain 2 here for the corners. We will do chain 2, and then watch carefully, this is a very new stitch for you all. This is single crochet stitch, right? We will skip these 2 chains and into these loops. This is the loop where we usually work, but we will pick this first loop of this stitch and the bottom loop. These 2 loops we will insert our hook and pull, and then we will make a slip stitch here. Okay, I hope you get it how to make this edge. If you did not understand, you can just rewind the video and slower the speed of the video, and then you can maybe understand it better. Now this stitch we will skip, and into the next stitch, skip this one where we made this single crochet. We will not work again into this stitch. Instead we will work into the next stitch to the opposite side. Now we will work to the opposite side, right? So we will not turn our work for the row 2. This side only will complete this row. So insert your hook into this first stitch of the opposite side, skipping this one top stitch, and into this space, we'll insert our hook and make one single crochet. Okay, now opposite side of the stitch we will make same stitch only, just like we did single crochet to this. Now here we have half double crochet, so opposite side also will make half double crochet. This opposite side will make double crochet. So let's make the second one. Into the second chain space we will insert our hook and we will make half double crochet. Into the third one we will make double crochet. Okay, into the fourth one we will make one triple crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Into the next stitch we will make double crochet again. Okay, into the next stitch, 1 minute, this is wrong stitch. Yeah, into the next stitch we will make double crochet. Now into the next we will make half double crochet. Into the next we will make single crochet, and into the last space we will make slip stitch. Now to this stitch where we started, into this loop we will insert our hook, the first slip stitch loop, we'll insert our hook and pull the yarn and make a slip stitch to join this round. Okay, now we can simply do chain 1 and cut the yarn here. Pull this yarn, fasten the thread, and this extra yarn that I have covered into the stitches only. If you have not covered, that is okay, you can just cut the yarn at the end. And this is our medium size leaf. Now you can use it in any flower, you can paste it on clothes or use as accessorizing your dresses, or make hair accessories also out of it. With flowers also you can use these leaves to paste. Also these are very small size leaves, so I don't really find any requirement of wiring to the corners of this leaf. And so for that matter you can use these leaves for flower sticks as well. So this is very easy and cute leaf to learn. So I hope you understood how to make these this leaf. And into next series, only jump onto the next series when you have practiced all the episodes of this series and series 1 very thoroughly. As I explain and as I request at the end of every video, you need to practice all the things as many times as you can. And once you are done with one episode thoroughly, then only jump on to the next episode of any series. And similarly it goes with the series. If you are completely done with series 1, then only jump on to series 2, and if you are completely done with series 2, then only you should go on to the series 3. So thank you for watching series 2. I hope you learned all the things that I have explained so far, and I will meet you in series 3. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a good day.